Bad smells in your car can make driving uncomfortable and unpleasant. Dust, food spills, pets, smoke, and moisture can all cause strong odors over time. There are easy and effective ways to quickly destink your car. Odor and moisture control granules absorb unpleasant smells and excess moisture, keeping your car fresh and dry. It keeps the car air fresh and clean for a long time. These bags are easy to use and do not need power or sprays. They also help make driving more comfortable and pleasant. Baking soda naturally absorbs odors, eliminates moisture, and keeps your car interior fresh and clean. Sprinkling baking soda is a simple and natural method to destink your car. It helps absorb bad odors from carpets, seats, and floor mats without using harsh chemicals. Lightly sprinkle baking soda on the affected areas and leave it for a few hours or overnight. It works by trapping unpleasant smells instead of covering them. Dawn dishwashing soap effectively removes dirt, grease, stains, and odors, leaving your car seats clean and fresh. To clean the car seat, first take a spray bottle and fill it with water. Then add a small amount of Dawn dishwashing soap to the bottle. Your soapy solution is now ready to use. Lightly sprinkle the soapy solution evenly over the car seat surface, making sure not to soak it too much. This helps loosen dirt, stains, and odors so the seat can be cleaned more effectively. Next, vacuum the car seat carefully to remove loosened dirt, crumbs, and leftover soap from the fabric. Use a strong vacuum attachment to clean deep into seams and corners for a fresh, spotless finish. After cleaning the car seat, your seat becomes fresh, clean, and free from bad odors. This process helps remove deep dirt and unpleasant smells, making your car interior more comfortable. Removing clothes, papers, and other items from your car is an important step to destink it. These items can hold dust, moisture, and food odors, which make the car smell bad over time. Taking everything out makes cleaning easier and improves airflow inside the car. A clean, clutter-free car stays fresh, comfortable, and pleasant to drive. Placing a small garbage bin in your car is a simple and effective way to keep it clean and organized. It encourages everyone to dispose of trash properly instead of leaving it on the seats or floor. By emptying the bin regularly, you can prevent bad odors from building up and keep the interior smelling fresh. This small habit makes your car more comfortable, hygienic, and enjoyable for every drive. Vacuuming car mats and seats is an effective way to remove dirt, crumbs, and dust that cause bad odors. It reaches hidden areas where smells can develop over time. Regular vacuuming keeps the car interior clean and prevents odors from settling in. By maintaining clean mats and seats, your car stays fresh, tidy, and more comfortable to drive every day. Ammo Spit Spray Wax cleans, protects surfaces, removes odors, and leaves your car interior fresh and shiny. Sprinkle this suitable spray cleaner and wipe with a microfiber cloth. It is an effective way to destink your car. The spray helps break down grime, while the microfiber cloth picks up dust and residue without scratching. Regular use keeps the car looking neat and makes driving more comfortable. Coffee seeds absorb strong and unpleasant odors instead of just covering them up. Hanging a coffee ground bag in your car is a simple and natural way to destink your vehicle. They help remove smells caused by food, smoke, pets, and moisture inside the car. Sprinkle a few drops of your favorite perfume onto the coffee ground bag to boost its freshness. This adds a pleasant fragrance while the coffee grounds continue to absorb unwanted odors in your car. Keeping a coffee ground bag under the seat, or hanging it near the air vents, can continuously improve air quality and make every drive more pleasant. Maple car spray is very helpful for cleaning air vents and improving the air inside your car. It removes bad odors trapped deep in the vents and replaces them with a warm, pleasant maple fragrance. The spray helps reduce dust, germs, and bacteria that can cause unhealthy air. It also prevents musty smells caused by moisture and mold buildup. Regular use of maple car spray keeps the air vents fresh, improves air quality, and makes every drive more comfortable and enjoyable. A rechargeable air freshener is a convenient and eco-friendly way to keep your car smelling fresh. It eliminates the need for disposable sprays, saving money and reducing waste. With adjustable settings, you can control the intensity of the fragrance to suit your preference. The rechargeable feature ensures long-lasting use without constantly buying batteries. Additionally, it effectively removes unpleasant odors from food, pets, smoke, and moisture, maintaining a clean and pleasant environment inside your car. So, by applying these tips and using these products, you can effectively de-stink your car.